beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the latest in beauty advent calendar. I am so excited to get straight into this, but before we do, if you are new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'm uploading a brand new video every 2 days in October for Vlogtober, so I'll hopefully see you in the next 2 days with a brand new video. I do also have some bonus videos somehow, so I'll be uploading them in between them 2 days as well, so turn that notification bell on so you're not missing any extra videos as well. I'm really excited for this one. So Luce and Beauty did very kindly send this across to me. So when I had a little look at the information sheet, it launched on the 1st of October. It has a retail value altogether of over £300 and it retails for £70. You can use the code LIBAC10, so LIBAC 10 to get £10 off as well, and it's got 24 products inside. So let's just get straight into it. So the whole kind of point of it being in like a big, this is basically like their normal beauty box but on steroids. It's absolutely huge, and the whole point of it is to be more eco-friendly, so you can literally, from what I've read, I haven't opened it yet, I've managed not to peek. From what I've read, you can literally just reach in and grab a product instead of it being like the plastic products or like loads of cardboard and loads of waste and stuff like that. The whole point of it is to be kind of eco-friendly as well. So it's basically one of their normal boxes but absolutely huge. So when you open it up, it is literally this white box with like black sides, and then the front of it has this latest in beauty thing, which actually is 3D. And when you lift this up, like this is like a little hole for it, which I actually thought was quite fancy, not gonna lie. And then when you open it up, this is what it looks like. And then obviously I'm guessing you can literally just take this off and it has all the goodies inside. So obviously it does come with the little leaflet inside telling you what is inside and a bit more information on the products. So it says on the inside, it says, "Merry Christmas. At Luce and Beauty, we've become the authority on bringing award-winning beauty to our customers. So get ready to experience a countdown to Christmas like no other." So it says it's not just your average beauty advent calendar. It has 24 award-winning brands and products inside from the industry's finest. So it's not just like random brands that they've just shoved in. Like these are like award-winning ones. So in addition, it says, in addition to accessing an award-winning brand or product each day, you'll be able to reuse the stylish box without any waste as well. And this is what it looks like when you take that out. So I'm literally just going to grab anything because obviously there's no certain order to this. Let's just get straight into it. So first thing that we have is the Dr. Paw Multi-Purpose Soothing Balm for lips, cheeks and cosmetic finishing with a hint of tint. So it just looks like this. This is what it looks like. We have a little product from Murad. This is the Retinol Youth Renewing Eye Serum. Ooh, Retinol Renewing Eye Serum. Nice. And that's just what that one looks like. That one actually sounds really good. It's a 5ml, so like quite a deluxe sample. I can see Mac. I'm gonna have to grab the Mac one because like you know I'm absolutely obsessed with makeup, so any kind of makeup and advent calendar just gets me so excited. So this is a mini matte lipstick. This is in the shade Whirl. I'm actually going to put this to one side for somebody else because I actually already have Whirl. I'm pretty sure I've got Whirl. Let me just check. Yeah, I've already got Whirl. So this is obviously the full size one compared to the mini, and this is what it looks like, and that is it swatched. So yeah, I'm going to put that to one side for somebody else to love, because obviously I already have the full-size version of it. Oh my god, this next one I'm so excited to try. I actually had this before and then I sold it, and then afterwards everyone was like, that's actually amazing. I was like, okay, I'm gonna have to, if I get this again, I'm gonna have to like keep it and use it this time. This is the Colour Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. So it magically transforms texture. So it says use every 3 to 4 washes, shampoo, condition, towel dry, divide it into sections and then spray this on. So it's meant to really help if you get like crazy kind of hair with like the weather, so like your hair goes really puffy and frizzy and stuff. So I'm excited to try that. We have a matte cream from Embarbarian, which is just Korean skin therapy, and that is a little 5ml one. Just looks like this. We have the product from Dr. Botanicals is the Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter, which just looks like this. We have something from Floral Street. I'm sure this is a fragrance place, if I remember rightly. Yeah, so it's got little perfumes in it. That is actually really, really cute. So it just looks like this, and it's got little perfume samples, little 5ml samples in there. So, oh no, 5 1.5ml samples. It's cruelty free and vegan, and that is their mini discovery set in dark. That's what it's called. Next we have a product from, is it Nux or Nukes? This is their Nutri Fortifying Oil Cream. So it's meant to be an ultimate anti-aging cream to replenish, nourish and revive radiance, and that's a 15ml one for somebody to try. We have some little eye patches from Rodial. Rodial's really expensive if I remember rightly. These are the Snake Jelly Eye Patches to freeze and smooth. So it's one sachet of obviously 2 patches, and that just looks like that. Ooh, then we have something from Invisibobble, which I'm excited to try. This is one of their Invisibobble scrunchies. I have tried the other ones and I just didn't seem to get on with the normal ones when it came to like actually taking the bobble out of my hair. You'll have seen this in my pre-mark video. I explained bobbles in so much depth in that video. But yeah, I'm excited to try the scrunchy version of it because my hair is sensitive. Yeah. Next up is one from Marc Jacobs. It's one of their highliners. Let's see what shade this is in. So it's in 35 Glitz Alright. So shades may vary, so the shade might be different depending on which one you get. So Marc Jacobs himself said it best with, "Shine is my favourite colour, add a sparkling finishing touch to any look with this glitter gel eye crayon that glides on with an amazing 12-hour wear." So it looks like this is like a purpley one. Yeah, it's kind of like a, you can see it here, like a purpley glittery one. I really want to try more from Marc Jacobs. I feel like I want to try like their foundations and stuff, but again, really pricey. So it's nice that it's in this advent calendar. Oh my god, there's loads. I've just removed this face mask and there's another layer underneath it. So we have a face mask from OK. This is their 3-step mask. So it has the oil controller and tea mask, T-zone mask. It has the foam and face wash and the precision buffing pad. I think I'm going to put this into my giveaway box for one of you guys because I actually already have that face mask, so that means that one of you can try it. Oh my god, it's got some Batiste in here. I absolutely love Batiste. This is their dry shampoo, just in the original clean and fresh one. We have something from Palmer's. This is their natural vitamin E concentrated cream. 60mg, it's like a big full size one. And it just looks like this. Next is one from Ico, which is meant to be like one of their really famous products. It's the I Do liquid eyeliner. I feel like I've had this before and then managed to give it to somebody else. I feel like I'd give it to Amber or sold it to Amber or something. But I'm actually wanting to try this one myself this time because, and the reason I gave it away last time was because I couldn't do liquid eyeliner, was I feel like I can do it a little bit better now, so I want to see what this one's like because the Southern Glory one just isn't doing it for me anymore. Next up is one from Aromatherapy. This is their Support Lavender and Peppermint Bath and Shower Oil, and this one is a 9ml bottle. We've got some gradual tanning drops, which are from Balance Me, a clearing facial wash from Sukin, which is a blemish control one, and that one is a 20ml bottle. We have the Ciate. This is their Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer, which actually looks really cute. Just looks like this. From Aveda, we have their Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repairs for instant visible repair. It protects from heat styling, and this is a huge 100ml bottle. Just looks like this. I'm actually really excited to try that because that'll be really good for my hair. Just says work a small amount of product in hands, apply through damp hair, and then comb to distribute. Just like a leave-in treatment. That sounds amazing. From Skin Chemist London, we have the Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. Ooh, lip plump. So it says it has peppermint oil in it to make the lips look plumper and smoother. My lips definitely need to look smoother because my lips are so crusty dusty at the moment. Ooh, that looks really nice. Okay, I'm really excited to try that and see what that's like. And then from the brand Aurelia. This is the probiotic skincare and it's their miracle cleanser with chamomile, eucalyptus, rosemary and bergamot, and this is a huge 50ml one. It's cruelty free as well, and that is just what it looks like. It says one of their award winning products as well. I want to read a little bit more about that because that looks really good. Really excited to try that. It's a soft bamboo muslin cloth inside as well. You all know I use sponges now, but I'm always up for trying a new muslin cloth. Last two. One of them is a product I absolutely love. These are a little mini of the Benefit They're Real. This is the 4g one. So I think these are the ones that retail for like £10 odd in Boots. So absolutely amazing. Really, like that is like a next level award winning product. And then last but certainly not least, which Smells amazing. Oh my god, it smells so good. This is the Foamy 2-in-1 body bar. So it says it cleanses and nourishes with papaya and oat milk. I want to open this 2-in-1 body bar. This looks... what the... Whoa, this is what it looks like. Looks like this. That smells unbelievable. It must be the papaya, like that smells so nice and fruity. You know I absolutely love my fruity smells. So yeah, that's really exciting. I've never even heard of the brand Foamy before. Just says place a bar under running water, rub between your palms to create a lather, simply massage onto wet skin in shower or bath, and then rinse and hang to dry. And the little kind of grooves on it is like a massage effect as well for you to rub it against your skin. Cool. I like it. So that's everything that is in the latest in beauty advent calendar this year. I'm actually really impressed with it. I think it's got some really good brands in it, and I'm glad that it's actually got award-winning stuff in it, award-winning brands, or award-winning products, because at least you know you're getting some good stuff. And do you know what? It's going to sound really bad because I know you can get kind of like the sleep sprays and stuff from latest in beauty, but I'm so glad that there isn't a sleep spray in this. I've been watching so many advent calendars and you always get one of the sleep sprays and I just never use them. So yeah, I'm really, really excited to try all of these. I'm really excited to try this cleanser, really excited to try this foamy one. Oh, the eye coat, like I'm really excited to try this, and the Aveda for my hair, oh my god, and the lip plumper, really excited for that. Super excited for this one as well to help with my frizziness because my hair just goes crazy. Always up for more Batiste, like I can never have enough of that. Super excited to put a couple of things into my giveaway box for you as well. I wonder what these are like. I'm really excited to see what these little tanning drops are like. You can mix them in with your moisturiser. Some people mix it in with like tinted moisturiser when they're putting the makeup on for the day and stuff like that as well. But yeah, like full of absolute goodies in this box. And if you use that code, you can get £10 off. So you could literally get all of this for £60. That is actually crazy. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget that I'm uploading a brand new video every 2 days in October, so I'll hopefully see you for a new video then. Sometimes I'm doing some bonus videos, so make sure you got that notification bell turned on. Thank you so much for watching. If you are wondering what lip combination I've got on, by the way, it's such a weird lip combination, and it's weird that it's gone really matte, but I'll explain it anyway. So the first thing we have is the Kiss My Sass Doll Beauty lip liner. Then on the outer part of the lip, I went in with the Colourpop Lippy Sticks in Grunge, and then I also went in the middle part of my lip with Brink from Colourpop as well. And then I did put some gloss on, but it just seems to, I don't know what's happened. It's gone really like matte. I don't know what's happened with it. I was thinking, why isn't it staying glossy? But I've actually picked up a Revolution liquid lipstick thinking it was the salted caramel lip gloss. So I picked this up thinking it was this, but actually I was putting a liquid lipstick on top of 2 lipsticks. If that makes sense now. I was meant to put this lip gloss on, but yeah, that's the combination that I've gone. Like I said, a very weird one, but now I understand why when I've actually looked to tell you the name. I've actually put on a liquid lipstick on top in Echelon instead of putting the I Heart Chocolate lip gloss on in salted caramel. Oops. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to enter my huge giveaway, and I'll see you in my next video, whenever that will be. Bye guys.